Okay, people looking at sterling dollar on the hourly chart, didn't record it from the original buy level that I had down at 128. I think it was 63 or something like that. But going to do some analysis right now in the sterling. Right now I have that if we can close, okay, if we can get above this pivot high here, 129.54, really it's really 129.60. That's the level I have. So if we can get above 129.60, it's a show of strength. If we can open above that level, I expect price action to be like between 129, say 75, and a pullback down to like 129.45. I have a 129.50 here, but a little bit of lost motion, taking us back down to 129.45, and then springing us up. The target is 130 and a half, like, or 130.40. Okay, so that's what I got right now. Right now, sterling dollar is in like a buy dips type of trading. So, if you get some pullbacks down to this red line here, 129, 128, say 70, it's still in a buy mode. An open below 128.65, an open below 128.65 shows further weakness and a push down. So there it is right now. An open above 129, say 60, shows strength to like 130.40, and an open below 128, say 65, and open below 128.65 will show weakness. So I'm just going to be monitoring this right now. And if I take any trades off of it, I'll come back in and say, hey, just bought this, stop loss that. I'm going to be, for complete transparency's sake, I sold 129 to 24s, and I was wrong. I basically was going off of this. I thought the bar opened actually below one of my price points. It didn't. It kind of opened like right on it. I should have waited, but I sold 129.24 and bought it back at 129.31 or something like that, or with brokerage and everything. So it cost me like $210 on that trade. So just being completely transparent, that's what I did. And now I'm just hanging out waiting to see what the marketplace wants to do. So I'll leave this open and see if we can get anything, good out of it. Okay, the market's been closed a couple of hours. Right now it's Friday, 2:59 p.m. Alaska time. Just want to go over the sterling. Sterling had a buy level at 128, like 67. That was the price I have market right here. Took that, had a sale level right up in this sale envelope up here, and I did sell it. I sold it 129, like say 48 average. I had 3 units and sold them all out. I originally had to stop at take profit actually at 129, like 56. It didn't get up there, so when I came in this morning, my alert was going off and I sold it. This was a pivot point down for me. It's a calculated pivot point down, saying that if the market broke this, it should have basically came up to this level and then pushed back down again. Any open below this red line will signal weakness again, taking us to lower prices. Any open above this green line, any open above it, will take us up to, I think, around 130.40, okay, before a new look. This is kind of like choppy. Market closed right in between the 2 points as usual. I would have liked to see market break up and come back down and then open above this. That would show some really good strength. And if we're going to use the square root of price theory, what I did was, since I'm measuring 1 hour bars, let me just do this. Let's get the square root of this guy. Okay. 128 point, say 65. It's 11.34 bars. So if I'm going from the price from this for the cycle, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 hours, we hit the target. Okay, now if we're going to continue up, we're going to be looking at the same type of square root kind of indication for time. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We haven't. We're in a new cycle here. Okay, moving forward. Now this is Friday, so I'll mark the chart up. And a new look, actually, when I come in on Sunday on the open of Asia, check it out, see what's going on, and take it from there. So I want you guys to have a great weekend. And remember, enjoy the party, dance near the door. Cheers.